Hey everyone, and welcome back to Summarize Science. Have you ever gotten frustrated trying to build something from a manual, hunting for that one specific screw or piece? It's a universal pain, whether it's furniture or a complex Lego set. Well, what if your instructions weren't on paper, but appeared right in front of your eyes, guiding you every step of the way? That's exactly what researchers from MIT and Cornell University have developed with this incredible AI-assisted augmented reality system. Let's break down how this futuristic assembly line works. First, a user wears an augmented reality headset, like the Microsoft HoloLens. This device overlays digital information onto the real world, so you can see both at the same time. The headset's camera constantly watches the workspace, which is filled with all the necessary parts. Now, here's where the artificial intelligence comes in. The system uses a powerful AI, trained specifically to recognize each unique component. So, instead of you searching through a pile of pieces, the computer does the searching for you in real time. When it's time for the first step, the system highlights the exact piece you need with a digital box. Then, it shows you another box right on your project, indicating precisely where that piece needs to go. You just pick, place, and the system automatically detects that you've completed the step. It then instantly moves on, highlighting the next piece and its destination. To test their system, the researchers used it to build two different Lego sculptures. As you can see from these images, they were able to assemble a complex egg shape and a twisted wall. They accomplished this without ever looking at a paper manual or a 3D model on a separate screen. One of the cleverest parts of this research is how they taught the AI to see the Legos. Instead of taking thousands of real photos, they generated synthetic, computer-rendered images of the parts. They showed the AI these digital pieces from every angle and in all sorts of lighting conditions, which made it incredibly robust at spotting the real-life components. So, let's recap the key takeaways. This system combines augmented reality with AI object recognition to create interactive, step-by-step assembly instructions. It eliminates the frustrating search phase of building by finding the parts for you. And it guides your placement to ensure you're building correctly. The implications for this go far beyond toys. Imagine building complex machinery, performing delicate repairs, or even assembling your next piece of furniture with this kind of digital guidance. It could make complex tasks accessible to more people and dramatically reduce errors in manufacturing and construction. This research is a fantastic glimpse into a future where the digital and physical worlds merge to help us build things better and faster. What do you think you'd want to build with a system like this? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe to Summarized Science for more.